Fork the starting wrapper provided in the resources of this video. This is the high score exercise about for loops. You don't have to change this code. All it's doing is it's taking a list of students' high scores and then converting that into a list of integers. In this exercise, what you have to do is the user will provide you a list of students' high scores, and you have to provide the user the highest score between them. You have to write your code below this line, and what I want you to keep in mind is you are not allowed to use the max function in Python, which is a built-in function which will just return the maximum value in a list. That's not the point of this exercise. The point of this exercise is for you to be able to practice your knowledge of for loops. So make sure that you use for loops to figure out the highest score inside this list. Pause the video and complete the coding exercise. I hope you have completed the exercise correctly. If not, or you want to see the solution, then let's walk through it together. What I will do is I will create a variable named highest underscore score, and I will set it to be 0. Now we are going to create a for loop, and then for n we are going to loop through our students underscore score list, and then inside that what we will do is we are going to check if n, meaning the current score, is greater than our highest score. Then what we are going to do is we will update our high scores value to be n. So what this does is it will check if the current value or the current element that we are looping through is that greater than the highest score that we currently have. If it is, then we are just going to be updating our high score to the current element that we are looping through. But if it is not greater than that, then it will just move on and then repeat the loop again. Now instead of n, I will just rename this to score so it is clearer. Now what we just have to do is we have to print out to the user the highest score is, and then we have to give the user the highest score. Now if we run our code and I provide a list like 86, 98, 12, 46 and 75. As you can see, it calculated the highest score and it told us that the highest score is 98, which is correct. 98 was the highest score among this list of students. I hope you completed the exercise correctly. If not, then review the lesson where I teach you about for loops. I'll see you in the next tutorial.